Good afternoon, dear students. Let's start the 10th chapter Inside the Computer. Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi is a credit card sized computer. The facilities that are available in a normal computer are also available in it. But this consumes only very low electricity. This computer is designed mainly for educational purposes. But various computer programs can be prepared with the help of this computer. Using these kinds of programs, this computer has facilities to control external equipment also. Have you ever thought of how the computers are varied in size, performance, and facilities? You know that equipment like smartphones and desktop computers work with the help of a number of big and small components. Day by day changes occur in the size and shape of computers and its allied instruments because of the high leap in the field of electronics and information communication technology. What other changes do you observe? Reduction of size, storage capacity increases, speed and accuracy increases, low electricity consumption, etc. are the changes. Have you ever thought what process goes on in a computer when it works? A computer stores the data that is received through the input devices and gives back whenever required using the output equipment. We have familiarized ourselves with some of the input and output devices we use in the previous classes. Try to remember those devices. The picture of an old model of a major input device is given in screen. Can you identify the device? This is the old model of a significant input device called mouse. Identify the differences between the old mouse and the mouse we use today. Like this, drastic changes are occurring in most of the equipment related to computer. In desktop computers, all components other than input-output devices are kept inside a box called cabinet. How are components like monitor, keyboard, mouse, etc. connected to the cabinet? These are connected to the ports seen in the cabinet of the computer using different kinds of connectors. You have identified the differences occurred in the shape and function of a mouse, haven't you? Likewise, the system of connecting the input and output equipment to a computer also has changed a lot. How to connect? Examine how the keyboard and mouse that you use is connected to the computer. Instead of using various types of ports as in earlier days, USB ports are used more nowadays. What are the advantages of using USB connectors? Modern computers need no ports or connectors for different equipment. Moreover, the rate of information transfer using USB technology is too high. Be careful. Carefully fix the connectors to the ports or else the pins in the connectors will get broken or bent. This will lead to disruption of information transfer and the equipment may get destroyed. Universal Serial Bus or USB. USB is an advanced technology that helps in the speedy transfer of information between equipment. Apart from ordinary USB connectors, micro USB connectors to be used in mobile phones and cameras are also available now. This helps for providing power to the machine also. You might have seen mobile phone chargers, fans, lights, etc. working using USB. Nowadays, in new generation equipment, we use USB 3.0 which can transfer information more speedily. Which output devices are used to present the visuals from a computer? Monitor and projector. The output devices used to present the visuals from a computer is the monitor. What kind of monitor do you know? CRT monitor, LCD TFT monitor, and LED monitor. Did you understand that monitors are connected to computers using Video Graphic Array or VGA adapters, High Definition Media Interface or HDMI, Digital Visual Interface or DVI, DisplayPort, etc. are some of the modern interfaces that are used to transfer the audio-video data between equipment. Visual Display Unit. Monitors are commonly known as visual display units. They use various kinds of technology. Cathode ray tube or CRT monitors consume more electricity than other monitors. But the thin film transistor or TFT and liquid crystal display or LCD monitors that we use nowadays consume very low electric power and is more clear and vibrant. Light emitting diode or LED, organic light emitting diode or OLED technologies are also commonly used in display units. They provide clear and vibrant screen and will also provide visual clarity. Those who leave the stage. With the advancement of modern technology, many sources and components are replaced with new technological devices. The PS2 ports used for connecting the mouse and keyboard, serial ports used for connecting printers, and the parallel ports are examples for such replacements. The data that we give as input in various methods are later given as output through a complicated processing. This is done with the help of microprocessors in the central processing unit or CPU of the computer. This kind of highly important microprocessors are fixed inside a computer. Analyze the picture. Microprocessors help to make basic mathematical calculations and control the activities of input and output equipment in the computer. The joint activities of the software and other peripherals in the computer help in getting the necessary information through output devices. Do you think that the microprocessors used in different computers have the same speed and same efficiency? How can you identify the features of the processors used in your computer? You can know the details of the computer and the peripherals in it without opening and examining them. Many applications are available for this. SysInfo is such an application available in your computer. This chapter will continue in the next class.